Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or good morning, or good afternoon from wherever you're dialing in from. This is Jeff Mills dialing in from my beautiful closet office in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. On the other side of me, hit the button, Neil. That's Neil Gass right there you're looking at. Say hi to everybody, Neil.
Hey there.
He's a man of many words, many talents. And today we're coming at you from our homes to share with you guys some ideas about how to help you grow your home-based businesses, how to grow your affiliate marketing businesses, to help you grow your brick and mortar businesses, whatever kind of business you have. We're going to talk about some of the biggest mistakes that a lot of marketers are making right now on the internet and how to fix it. And we're going to go through a couple of those mistakes to get us kicked off. But before we get into the content, before we jump in, let me just say this. If you got invited to be here to watch this presentation by somebody, first of all, thank you for honoring them and actually doing what you said you would do, which is show up and check this out, give it a watch, give it a listen, and see what this is all about. You're in the right place, and you're going to hear some great information today. Secondly, we're going to be taking you through a process of a presentation, so give us some time to kind of ramp up, get to the content. It's going to be all value-based. We're going to be teaching you stuff. You'll be learning things as you go along here today, and hopefully we'll show you some things that get you excited as well. And we'll introduce you to some new concepts. We're going to be introducing you to a platform that makes your marketing a lot easier. It's called the Power Lead System. And then we're going to introduce you to some ways you can make some money. So I don't know, I hope every single one of you that's watching this, if you're brand new, you never heard of the Power Lead System before, you never heard of me, you never heard of Neil, I hope that you just spend a few minutes with us, and at the end of our time together, you feel like you want to join our family. So is that fair enough? Maybe? Good enough for you? Let's get started. So a long time ago, there was a company called Priceless Possibilities that got started, and what they did is they started creating marketing systems for people on the internet to help them make more sales for their companies. Predominantly, the Power Lead System was built on their platform, their technology that they created years and years ago, but it made it more modern, modernized it, updated it, and made it current to what's working in today's standards. Neil, you want to talk a little bit about some of the Priceless Possibilities history and what was their background and how they got to be what they do?
Yeah, I mean, it's been almost 2 decades they've been doing this. Their programmers are the best in the business, and like you said, they've been creating custom marketing systems for network marketing companies, top distributors, for almost 2 decades. And they've got better and better at it. They've added more and more features. And the Power Lead System, what it did is it made everything current. It brought in current lead capture pages, sales pages, gave everyone features that they desperately needed, like swapping their videos and creating these amazing sales funnels, being able to share them. Everything you need to start marketing your business online and be able to do it simple, set it up very fast, and it's very effective.
So with the Power Lead System being a brand new platform, it's actually been in the market for about 9 or 10 months now. We've taken the most important things that marketers need, and we put it all in one house. And my biggest pet peeve as a marketer on the internet is I got a lead capture page system from this company, and I get a webinar registration page system from this company, and I got to go over here and get my autoresponder or whatever the other tools are out there, and I'm spending 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, a lot of money a month. It adds up $200 to $300 a month for all my tools to help me market my businesses. And the Power Lead System has brought everything together into one place, and we'll talk more about that. We'll show you what it looks like. We're actually going to demo it for you and show you all the bits and pieces behind the scenes things. But I want to talk about mistakes that marketers make. And the first mistake that marketers make is that they use company corporate websites. They use websites that they don't control. They use websites they cannot change. And one of the things that frustrates me the most is when I buy into a system where I'm forced to use what they have, And by using their lead capture pages, I can't change if I want to collect someone's email address, phone number, and name. And maybe some system I bought, it forces me, I have to do email address, I have to do name, and I have to do phone number, and I can't mix that up. Well, that affects my conversions. And you all know that the most important thing you should be doing as a marketer is building a list, building a big giant list that you can market your products and services to over and over and over again. But if you can't control how the lead capture page looks, well, then you're sending people to a page that might not convert very well. You're throwing money down the toilet because those leads are not going to convert into opt-ins. Therefore, they're not going to see your funnel pages, your after opt-in pages, and even hear about your business opportunities and your products and your affiliate products that you're marketing right now. So you want to be in control of your squeeze pages. You want to be in control of your websites, and you want to be able to put whatever you want. And with full HTML or even WYSIWYG editor, what you see is what you get. That's what WYSIWYG stands for. So when you type something into a web page, it looks exactly the way you typed it in, and you get the same results of what you see. And the Power Lead system actually has a platform that helps that big mistake that people make by giving you web pages and squeeze pages that you control. Another mistake that a lot of marketers make is they don't even use squeeze pages. They send people right to the offer. They have a link, they put a link up on a page, the traffic comes to that page, they hit that link, they go right to your sales page, and they expect people to get married on the first date. Neil, when you met Fran like 18 years ago, was I right? 18, 19?
Don't put me on the spot, Jeff.
When you met Fran so many wonderful years ago, did you guys get married the day you met?
Well, let me think about that. Not quite, no.
How long did it take you to pull the trigger?
It wasn't long. It was within a year and a half.
That's about the same with me too, about a year and a half. So it's a process of dating, romance. You feel me out, I feel you out. We get to see if we're compatible. We have the same interests and things like that. And if we do, we get married. Okay? It's the same with marketing. And you got to romance a little bit. You got to wine and dine a little bit. And sending people right to your offer page is a big mistake because people will see the offer. It might be too expensive. It might be too cheap. And they might think, oh, the price is so low. It must not be a good product. For whatever reason, they haven't been properly built up and properly educated about the benefits of what you have and all these things. So you have to educate people and remarket back to them. And you use your squeeze pages to capture those email addresses. You use autoresponders to do systematic sequential follow-ups. And the Power Lead system has all this built into it. So you can have automatic follow-ups that go every day, every other day, once a month, whatever sequence you want. And you can have unlimited amount of squeeze pages. You can do 50, you can do 1,000. And you can have unlimited separate autoresponder messages. So Neil, if I'm growing a business called XYZ Company, and then I have also a business called Acme, and I have another one called Melaleuca, can I have 3 companies all within one platform in the Power Lead system and market them separately so they don't all cross over each other?
Yeah, you can not only do that, but you can do it with one domain by creating subdomains. But that's a great feature of our system is there's no limit to the amount of funnels, lead capture pages that you can create and track all of the leads that come in to that particular lead capture page separately from the other ones that you created. So you can promote multiple businesses simultaneously.
Now I'm going to teach you guys one of the concepts that helped me become a standout marketer in my niche 14 years ago. And the concept it's called the concept of the Who Is page. And the Who Is page concept is where you have like a biography about yourself, where you have your history, and I usually kind of call it my rags to riches story, how I went from the outhouse to the penthouse, right? And how I went from the basement to the penthouse, how I went from being $75,000 in debt to making nearly $7 million in the last 14 years or so that I've been marketing online. And I tell all the story, the backstory, all the different programs I tried, how I failed here and there, and then what I did to become successful, how I got mentoring, how I started getting mentored by people, how I started using the right tools and proper systems, and that's what got me to be successful. Okay, and as I say that to you now on video, it makes you connect with me. It gives you a little bit of a history about who I've been. You know, I was a former youth pastor for 9 years, and now I've been marketing on the internet for 14 years. Just those little insights to who I am as a human being, my Who Is Jeff Mills story, it either attracts you to me or it repels you, which is fine, because not everyone's going to be attracted to doing business with me, and that's fine. But the concept of the who is concept is you want to put yourself out there and connect with people in a way where your story becomes their story. And you don't want to make it all about you and all the things that you've done and how much money you've made and how great you are, because people hate hearing about that. You want to make it all about how you can help them do the same things that you've been able to do. And the most powerful way to do that, besides putting it in copy, typing it on text and just writing out your whole story, which is really good, is using video. And that's what Neil and I are doing right now. We're right in I'm in my closet office. He's in his gigantic bonus room, game room there, playing Miss Pac-Man and Missile Command, and he's got Joust. No, what is that? Dragon's Lair in the corner back there?
Yeah.
And he's got the what do you got? Some Journeys. I bet you that your jukebox is like open to like the Journey soundtrack or the Journey CD back there.
You know what? You could be right. I can't.
Or maybe you got like White Snake or Van Halen on that.
It's a lot of 80s.
Go run over there and tell me what CDs you got open on the main page.
Bangles, Hank Williams, Pink Floyd, Wham, Journey.
I told you Journey was going to be there. How awesome was that? That was a total shot in the dark.
Oh, you're funny.
So now you got to know a little bit about Neil. He has Journey on his jukebox, and I called him out on it. But you would have never known that, had you not seen us and got the dialogue with us on video, right? But that's the cool thing about video. And what the Power Lead system does is it allows you to use this same exact technology. It's called Google Hangouts, where you can put these Google Hangouts right on your own pages, and then you can pitch whatever it is you want to pitch. You can market whatever you want to market. You can connect however you want to connect. You can do interviews like Neil and I. I could have myself as the distributor of a company, Neil as the top distributor of his company, and I can interview Neil on all of his success secrets, how he got to be, a seven-figure earner in Melaleuca or whatever company he's marketing for, right? And then that education helps all of my downline get knowledge and then use that knowledge to grow their company, okay? I can pitch a webinar, I can bring Neil in as an expert, and I can sell a Facebook marketing product. Okay, this is a very, very powerful medium for selling on the internet. You all know this because we all know that webinars and hangouts like this have been selling literally millions and millions of dollars almost every single month for all of the marketers out there that I hang out with. It's all through this exact same technology. And now you have it at your fingertips. It's just part of the Power Lead system. So don't make that mistake by not connecting with the audience and sharing a little bit about who you are and getting visual on video with people. Okay. Another mistake that people have is they keep all the cool tools to themselves. So they find a really cool tool like the Power Lead system. They build a bitchin' lead capture page that has like a 47% opt-in rate. And then after they opt in, they take them to a sales video that's just super cool. It converts really high. And then it takes them from that page to the buy page to go buy, whatever widget you're selling. And it converts like crazy. Neil, what is the best feature about the Power Lead system that allows you to share your campaigns that are working with any company, anyone in your downline? What's that feature called?
It's believe it or not, called the sharing feature, but it's one of the most popular features that we have. Very simple to use, and our members absolutely love it because, like you said, it allows them to create something completely unique and special, perhaps converting very, very well, take every part of that funnel, the lead capture page, the sales page, the autoresponder, the links, the buttons, everything, and then share that with anybody that they want to with a special code. And then all of the links work for whoever receives this content into their system. Everything works as it should to their sites, their links link to them, and it's just a beautiful thing. I love this feature, and like I said, it's one of our most popular features that we have.
Okay, the last thing I just want to say this, and I have my screen up here. I'm going to show you guys some stuff. Is people, another mistake they make is they don't train their people with good marketing, modern marketing, internet marketing training, and they expect people, if they're in a home-based business, like a MLM company, direct sales company, they expect them to get on the phone, make a lead list of 1,000 people, and then spend a month calling everybody and their mother trying to get them to buy some pills, potion, or lotion. And if you've ever tried that, it works to some extent, but after a while, you've gone through your whole list, and you're like, well, now who do I go after? I've got every single person I can think of. I've contacted them 5 times. I got a few to say yes, but now who do I talk to? And if you don't know how to do internet marketing, if you don't get training on how the internet works and how to market with the different tools on the internet, it can be really frustrating and very hard for you to make money. So the Power Lead system is allowed its members to have this amazing training website. It's called, what is it called? Neil, what's the website? PLS training, right?
Yep.
So PLS training.com/
No, that's it.
PLS training?
Yep.
It keeps on wanting to go to this other site.
There's a link in your back office that goes directly to that.
I got it right here. I don't even know what my password is to get into your site. Well, there's an awesome there's an awesome training website here that you can get into. And Neil, tell everybody about all the cool trainings back there about teaching people internet marketing.
One of my favorite ones is a hangout that we did called How to Beg, Borrow, and Buy Traffic. And that's going to go over a lot of different ways. People are always asking, how do I get leads? How do I market? This goes over hour and a half, 2 hours of training on generating leads and how and where to go. That's all for free, and it's all back there in the training area. We have other videos and training back there that show you. We have lead vendors that you can get clicks from, high quality traffic. You know, whatever you want to know about marketing is back there in that training area.
Fantastic. And then let's go talk about the Power Lead system back office here. This is a very simple back office. As soon as you log into it, you click the easy button, and there's a video you can go to, and it tells you in basically 3 simple steps what to do. If you wanted to use the Power Lead system to promote your primary company that you've got, then you're going to use link B. This link, right, whatever this link is, right here. And then if you want to promote the Power Lead system as a standalone program, you can do that. You can make money selling Power Lead systems to people. And we'll talk about the commission structure of how that works in just a second. But this 3-minute video just walks you through. Here's what to do first. Here's how to get started. And you're out of the gates with a link. You can start promoting it on Facebook. You can start dropping it everywhere. You can go through our trainings, and we'll show you how to promote it everywhere. And you're done. You're ready to get going. But we talked about squeeze pages, all these things that people want to have. So we have these pages inside the Power Lead system. We have survey pages, and these are like what I would call mock survey pages. If someone comes to a page like this, we're not really caring what they say here on these comments. We just want what's called yes momentum. So someone says, do you think you've seen everything when it comes to 100% commissions? And discover a new twist in 100% commissions is sending shockwaves through the industry. So they say yes, who hasn't? I think I have. So anyone they say, it creates yes momentum. So they say, yeah, I think I have. Next. And then maybe you think you have, but I'm guessing nothing like this. Is that link, Neil, to their response? Is that tagged to their response? So it says you think you have, and it knows that. That's what they put.
It's written to be the same response for whatever they
So if I
whatever
say yes, does it say I think you have?
say yes.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so that's cool. So anyway, any answer I say, it's going to give this step 2 page, and it's going to ask for a squeeze, name and email, which gets them to the finished page. So this creates yes momentum. It's a cool little squeeze page you can use to build your list. Then we got pages like this, which you can have these stunning background images. There's dozens and dozens that we give you. You can put basically any image you want as a background image on any of your squeeze pages. You can ask for name and email only on your squeeze page. You can ask for email only on your squeeze page, or you can give name, email, and phone number on your squeeze pages. We've got plain looking squeeze pages like this one, which actually converts really high, according to some of our members. Just a simple squeeze page like this. Neil, people don't know how to make these kind of pages by themselves. They have no clue how to build a squeeze page, but we have them already built for you. And you can take one of our already proven working squeeze pages, and then you can also modify it. I can copy any one of these lead capture pages. I can change the headlines. I can change the text. I can make it say whatever I want to say up on top and in the bottom, and then send them to whatever page I want after they squeeze through. I can send them on a page inside the Power Lead system. I can send them to a page outside the Power Lead system. And I could send them to an affiliate offer on Amazon.com. I could send them to a t-shirt offer. I could send them anywhere I want. That's the power of the Power Lead system. You can do video squeeze pages where you've got a video here, and you just simply collect people's name and email addresses. You can put any background image back here. This is so powerful, all the things you can do. So after the opt-in, let's talk about this one. This is another favorite one that Neil likes. This is a video lead capture page. I can put any YouTube video. I can go to YouTube, get the 11-digit code from the YouTube video. I can put that little piece of code in the back of this website, and then any website or any video can play in the background behind this squeeze page silently with no audio on it at all. It's very cool. Neil, I remember when we first found that one and we put it together, we were like so stoked to have something like that.
Yeah.
You can do viral reports. So you want to give away free, like this one here. You can give away this free, the top 5 tools they don't want you to know, about building your downline. And this is a PDF document. And what it does is it gives people, kind of like I talked about the top 5 mistakes you're making as marketers and not using the right tools. It's like that, but it's in a PDF. And so there's no squeeze page here. And you see when they click this button, the squeeze page pops up. Okay, that's a really powerful way to grab leads, because you're giving away what I call a flycatcher or a money magnet, some people call it, and it builds your list. It gets people to get on your list to get the free report. They get the free report, and then the autoresponders kick in, and it can sell them 2 things. It can sell them the Power Lead system. It can sell them your primary business opportunity. And then we got all kinds of sales pages, funnels, where you can do like sales pages, videos. It's just really powerful. Anything else you want to say about the features of the Power Lead system, Neil, and other things this tool can do?
Being able to put your own copy on the lead capture page is key. To go into your editor and have it already created for you, and then be able to highlight over the headline or the subheadline, change that copy on the fly. It's the most incredible tool to have at your disposal. And I love creating with this system. It's easy to create stuff, putting a new background pic in, putting a video behind it, changing the headline. It's so simple to do, and you could do it in seconds.
I made this one in just a few minutes. Put this beautiful travel kind of esque picture in the background, and just change the headline here. This is a stunning looking lead capture page. Anyone who's serious about traveling would love to be on this lead capture page and find out what's behind it. Here's a coffee company, and it has just a simple steel gray kind of background, social proof on the top, and it's about helping people cash in on their passion of drinking coffee, right? What's another one we got in here? Here's one that I did for people who want to get mobile phone service at a discount, and we got a video background of this guy destroying a T-Mobile store in the UK. and he's obviously frustrated about something with his mobile phone company. So we're kind of tapping into that frustration and getting people excited about something that's different. And that's pretty cool. You can do that with this lead capture page system.
What, Jeff, why don't you bring that page back up on edit and click on edit text and show them the WYSIWYG editor. What
So
we
this
mean
is
by
the
that
WYSIWYG
there.
editor right here. All I have to do is just change the text in here. Just put my mouse anywhere I want here and say how to get free mobile phone service or how to get rid of your mobile phone bill. If you're mad at your mobile phone bill, like this guy, I could change any of this text. I could change the color. And then, I just go to the source code right here and I find the YouTube video link in here somewhere. Is it a YouTube video? What is it?
Actually, it's simpler than that. We give you the ability to do that
It's right here.
on the background.
It's right here. All I have to do is this says video URL. This is 11-digit code. Every YouTube video has an 11-digit code in the back of it. I just paste that 11-digit code right here and then hit save. And now that video will be in the background.
Click on edit background, Jeff.
Where's that at?
Up top. Right there.
Okay.
Now scroll down. Now see that right there. You don't even have to go into the source code. All you have to do is click right there on the bottom. Use your own YouTube video. And then you just enter the 11-character code right there. You don't even have to go to the source.
Neil, you're some kind of genius.
And that's like super simple, right?
Yeah. I just put the YouTube code in there and I'm good to go. I'm good to go. So we haven't really been checking with people in the chat, but you want to go look in the chat box in the chat room and see if people are having any questions. But if you guys have any questions about what I showed you, what I've told you, feel free to interact with everybody in the chat room. Throw us some comments in there. Throw us a few questions. We'd love to get some questions from you guys. But it doesn't stop at all this cool factor. The Power Lead system just has a lot of cool, powerful tools, which is why it's called the Power Lead system. It allows you to build lists, which is why it's called the Power Lead, and it's systemized. It's just systems that work again and again and again, proven, which is where the system comes in. You combine all three, it's the Power Lead system, and it just does so many really cool things. Like, let's see. Mobile responsive lead capture pages that work on tablets, mobile phones. You've seen some of the different look and feels of the squeeze pages. I already showed you those. We talked about Google Hangouts and having your own Google Hangout pages like these guys are using here. You can integrate your autoresponder with Aweber and build your list with Aweber. You can do audio and video postcards, so you can get personal, send a video to everybody on your list that you build your list with, the Power Lead system, or just send them an audio message. And you can link a link next to your audio postcard. They can click on it and go to a website to learn more about what you just told them about. You can do floating lead capture pages. You can put lead capture pages on basically any domain out there and build a squeeze page on a page you don't even control. It's pretty cool. Integrate everything with social media, Facebook, and of course we talked about share codes where you can share your squeeze page, your sales video page, your get started page, and your company sign up page, and you can share that amongst everybody in your downline, everyone in your groups. But even brick and mortar companies can use these for non-MLM, non-direct sales type of stuff, right, Neil? It doesn't have to be just MLM type of companies that use the Power Lead system. Do you got some stories or any current testimonials of members that are using the Power Lead system to build their brick and mortar companies?
Oh yeah, I mean, Priceless Possibilities has thought about brick and mortar from the get-go, and they have templates and different capture pages in different parts of the system that insurance agents use, real estate, and using any template and changing it to fit your niche, whether it be brick and mortar or direct sales, it's up to you. You can do anything.
Now let's talk about the compensation plan. I got this page zoomed in here for everybody. With the Power Lead system, you can make money marketing the Power Lead system. So you can make a commission when you refer this system to somebody on the internet who needs tools like what we have. And we pay you a very handsome commission for every sale of our marketing platform. You don't get paid on the referring of other people, but you get paid on the sale of systems, the Power Lead system tool, and that's how you should get paid. You should get paid on selling products. And Neil, why don't you walk them all through the compensation plan and tell them how it works?
What you're looking at here is a diagram of you bringing in one person by the name of Mark. And what you see there is called your pay line. I like to call it your front line. Some people call it your pay line. But every sale that hits your pay line or your front line pays you a $20 monthly commission out of a $30 monthly subscription. So you're making 20 bucks a month from every person that lands on that pay line. And without going into too much detail, you're going to have people rolling up to your pay line. It's not just what you do personally. What you're looking at is you bringing in one person. That person's name is Mark, but you'll notice that Mark's second sale rolls up to your pay line, paying you 20 bucks a month. Mark's fourth sale rolls up to your pay line, paying you 20 bucks a month, and his sixth sale. And so there's a pattern. His even numbered sales are rolling up to your pay line, paying you $20 a month each. That same exact thing happens for every single person that rolls up onto your pay line. In other words, Mark's second sale that rolled up to your pay line, if you can see there, his name is Bob. When Bob makes his second, fourth, sixth, eighth, and 10th sale, those are all going to roll up to your pay line. Now, that might seem a little confusing, but I'll tell you this. What that is, it's called exponential growth. It happens across your pay line. As your front line or your pay line, it grows exponentially. You could have even hundreds of people all passing you up $20 monthly income streams. It's extremely powerful, but a lot of people don't like to pass anybody up. In a normal pass-up program, once a person rolls up, they're gone forever. But not with our plan, because we have something that people love when they get it. They love when they see it, because for every person that you personally enroll, whether they rolled up or whether they stayed on your front line or your pay line, it doesn't matter, you're going to make a 50% matching bonus on their entire pay line commission total. Now, that's pretty simple to understand, right? If I sponsor Joe, he rolls up, for example. Joe goes out there and makes $1,000 a month. Because I sponsored him, I personally enrolled him, I'm going to make a 50% matching bonus off of that $1,000 a month. So just for me enrolling Joe, he makes $1,000 a month, I make $500 a month. And there's no limit to the amount of people that you can personally enroll and make this 50% match on. You can personally enroll 20, 30, 40 people, and that's 50% matches that you're making on every single one of those people. Jeff, we've got some other products as well, but I want to say that our software tracks all of this with 100% accuracy. So whether you understand how it works or not, you get involved, you start promoting, the software is going to track it for you, and you're going to be able to go in your back office and track all of that and keep track of your commissions that way as well.
So what Neil's saying is the basic cost to get involved in the Power Lead system is it's $30, roughly $30 a month to become a Power Lead system user and use our tool to build squeeze pages, Google Hangout pages, share campaigns, all that. It's just 30 bucks a month, you guys. Go price that out. It's going to cost you $200 to $300 a month to get it from all the other tools out there, and you have a Frankenstein system that's not interconnected. Power Lead systems all under one roof, okay? You see here the people love it. This is our testimonials. We got a lot of people here. If you read the screen, you can see some of their testimonials. They just absolutely love the Power Lead system. It's changed their life. It's allowed them to get their life back, build their businesses, build their downlines, sell products on the internet as an affiliate, and it's really cool. So when you get started today, you're going to become an affiliate of the Power Lead system, and that's an extra fee because you want to make a commission. You want to be able to sell the Power Lead system and make a commission. Well, you have to become an affiliate to do that, and there's a monthly fee of $24 a month to become an affiliate of the Power Lead system. which gives you the ability then to sell and market the platform. Okay, so basically you look at your out-of-pocket cost to get started. It's $54 a month to be a Power Lead System user and to become an affiliate, which allows you to make those $20 monthly overrides, those $50 matching, those 50% matching commissions you can make. Pretty good stuff. But it gets better than that, because not only can you make money in this amazing accelerated leverage compensation plan, but you can also make money selling a product that people get on the upsell, called the Power Lead System. I mean, it's called the Social Profit Academy. Social Profit Academy is a social marketing course that teaches people how to sell anything on Facebook, how to use Facebook as the engine that you do pay-per-click advertising on. You buy advertising on Facebook, and you generate leads and generate sales selling basically anything you want. You can build a downline for your network marketing company. I show you how to sell t-shirts, from a t-shirt company. I show you how to build a list. I show you how to sell eBay products, Amazon.com products, other affiliate marketing products. This is a $497 course, but we built it into the Power Lead System so that members of the Power Lead System can make more money. And Neil, I don't know about you, but I think if I'm a business savvy guy or gal, and not only can those $20 commissions every month add up to be pretty sizable monthly income, but I sell a $497 product that's already built into the upsell funnel of the Power Lead System, I make a $400 commission every time someone joins me in the Power Lead System and then upgrades to the Social Profit Academy. That is amazing. But not only that, is if I sponsored Neil decides that he wants to get into the Social Profit Academy, so he joins, I make a $400 commission. But then Neil goes out there and Neil promotes the Power Lead System. His member joins. They also buy the Social Profit Academy. That means Neil is going to make $400. But here's the cool thing. I get a $50 override on that. So every system that Neil sells for the Power Lead System, he's $400 commissions richer. I'm $50 commissions richer, and I didn't do anything. I just sponsored Neil, and he got this amazing person that bought this platform. The bummer thing about this, you guys, and I know it's going to break your heart, but you can't make $400 commissions on a platform that you don't have access to. You go out there and you join the Power Lead System today with us. You spend your $54 to become a member. You market our platform, and people love it, and they join underneath you, and they join the Social Profit Academy, but you're not a Social Profit Academy member. That $400 commission that your sponsor would have made, or that you would have made, it rolls right around you, right above you, to the next qualified person who is a Social Profit Academy member. And I can tell you this, Neil, do you think people like losing $400 commissions?
Not at all.
Yeah, I think if I lost a $400 commission, I'd be pretty upset, don't you think? You'd be upset too? Would you be upset, Neil, if you knew you lost a $400 commission?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's very frustrating to have money roll right around you into someone else's pocket. And we did that on purpose because we want you to be fully qualified at the highest possible levels so you can make the most amount of money as a Power Lead System member. You can make $20 a month on all your sales, 50% matching bonuses, $400 commissions as a Power Lead System fully qualified member. Or you can just use the platform as a tool to help you grow your business, and you don't have to be an affiliate, you don't have to become a Social Profit Academy member, and you can just use the tools in all of its glory and have fun with it. Choice is yours, you guys, but I highly advise you to go fully all in. We're going to give you a very special offer today. Those of you who want to get started in the Power Lead System, what we're going to do is we're going to make it, let's do this, Neil. Instead of charging people $30 a month for the Power Lead System, can I do this? Can I give it to everybody for free?
Give it away, man.
Okay, I'm going to give it to everybody who's watching this webinar right now. I'm going to let you have the Power Lead System for free. And Neil, I want you to throw in a bonus. Do you have any social media training when people step out to become an affiliate? If they want to become an affiliate and pay that extra $24 a month, is there anything you can throw in that's going to help, put gas in the fire so they really feel the value of becoming an affiliate, what social media program can you throw in?
Oh man, you're putting me on the spot here. How about Max Steingart? Have you heard of him?
No.
One of the most respected trainers in social media marketing. He's got a product out there called Endless Free Leads 8.0.
Okay, what does that do?
Teaches you how to make a sale a day on Facebook. He's got all the top income earners from about every network marketing company giving praises to how good it works, and they don't know what they could have done without it.
Okay, so here's what we'll do, guys. For everybody watching this video right now, we're going to get you into the Power Lead system at zero cost today. Zero cost. We're going to give you a free trial. It's just for 7 days. Come in, get the system, try it out for 7 days at zero cost, and then after 7 days, you'll be billed $29.95 a month to use the Power Lead system. But you can try it out with no cost whatsoever. Trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to want to get started and use it again and again and again. Then I want you to become an affiliate. And when you guys become an affiliate today, we're going to give you Max Steingart's Endless Free Leads 8.0. It's worth $299 if you buy it on the internet. Go ahead and look it up. That's literally how much they sell it for. And you're going to get it today for free. And then you're going to get offered the Social Profit Academy. I encourage you to go all in and go and get the $497 product. It is an amazing course. I made it myself. And it teaches you how to make money on Facebook. It teaches you how to get leads on Facebook. It teaches you how to sell anything through the Facebook newsfeed and through tiny little right side ads on the right side of your Facebook news feeds. And that's what we have to offer you guys here today. You want to be using these tools. You need to be using these tools. You need to get back to the person who brought you to this presentation. Ask them questions about the Power Lead system. Ask them how they're using it. Ask them what their favorite piece of it is. Ask them to show you how they're using it. And if you have got all your questions answered, all you got to do now is down below here. Neil, you see that button right there?
Oh yeah.
That little button right there, it says Start My Trial. Hit that button that says Start My Free Trial and go ahead and join everything that's thrown at you and get started in the Power Lead system. Become a member today. You're not going to regret it. We've got thousands and thousands and thousands of people who have come through our doors and have used or are using the Power Lead system. And they love it. Neil, we have any questions coming through in the chat? Anything you're seeing there? We can feedback with people. Any questions we can answer?
Someone commented that they don't think it's fair that we lose income on our folks that we sponsored if they purchase your course.
So do we really lose income?
Lose income. Well, lose the commission.
Are we losing a commission?
If you haven't bought the course and someone you've referred purchases it, you would lose the commission.
So how do you rectify that?
You purchase the course.
And then what?
You dive into it and you learn from it and you go out there and crush it.
So is it fair that I lose every other commission on the sale of a Power Lead system?
You definitely don't lose those commissions. Man, you're kind of stumping me here. You don't lose those commissions. You make a 50% match on what they do. I think what this gal is saying, she doesn't think it's fair that we have to buy the course in order to make commissions on it. I guess that's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, on the Power Lead system? Oh, I think it's totally fair. How can you sell something that you're not even a member of yourself? How can you go out there and recommend somebody to use this platform that you haven't, used yourself? And I know for a fact that the hundreds of people that have already bought the Social Profit Academy, how many refunds have we had, Neil?
I think oh man, 2 or 3 at the most.
And was it because they thought the course sucked, or is it just financial?
No, not at all. Just personal reasons, things like that.
Yeah. So people who get that course, they absolutely love it. Obviously, you do have a 7-day trial to check it out, or is it a 3-day? I forget.
It's 7 days.
7 days to try the Social Profit Academy. or to
Yes.
check it out? Okay, so we'll give you
There's
plenty
not
of time to evaluate it.
there's not a trial on it, but there's
Well, it's not, well, I mean, what do you want to call it?
the money
Seven
back
day,
guarantee.
yeah, 7 day money back guarantee. If you don't like the training for whatever reason, you get your money back. So you don't lose anyway. Just jump in there. The training, you're gonna love it. So, any other questions?
I think there was. Yeah, just give me a second. Can we use this system for promoting a nonprofit?
Yeah, you can use this platform to promote any kind of a company. One of my friends was built take this very same platform to promote. He has a company that's doing cancer research, breast cancer, walks and runs and races, and they use this very same platform to promote the outreach of that breast cancer company to get more leads to join them and to get more people to do their runs and their walks and sponsor people. So it's completely doable in nonprofits.
All right, let me check again. Go back here. So what you were saying is that the person that rolls up generates a $20 commission to that associate, but generates a 50% commission to the person that actually sponsored them. Benny, when a sale that you make, that you personally enroll, rolls up, the person who they roll up to makes a $20 per month commission. There is a person out there making a 50% match on that pay line. As soon as that person that you rolled up makes a $20 per month commission and their pay line grows, you're going to make a 50% match on their entire pay line. Hopefully that's clear.
So in essence, you never actually lose anybody, but you might lose every other commission until 10. What happens after 10?
After 10, after you roll up 5, then you keep the next 4 front line out of your next 5. So once you roll up 5, and that's every other one, then you keep 4 in a row on your front line. Roll up your 5th, keep 4 in a row, roll up the next one, keep 4 in a row, and it just stays on that pattern.
And you can't forget the awesomeness of this compensation plan, where when I have someone down below me who's working, and let's say I have a pay line of, let's say I have 100 members underneath me, Neil, who are marketing Power Lead System, and if they're giving me every other person for their first 5, sales, every other one rolls up to me. When those people roll up to me to get those commissions, those people are going to go roll me up their people. Okay, it's just always like one leaving one, and so it's infinite accelerated leverage. It's massive leverage of people all promoting, of which we're sharing. Everyone gets a little piece of all the action. So what someone else's effort does, it benefits me. What I'm doing and my effort does, it benefits my sponsor. And that's the way it's built. It's very social, and it's very economical, and it's very profitable. I have commission notices showing up in my inbox almost daily, Neil, of people I don't even know below me who have people joining our platform who are becoming members, and I get those people in my group.
Oh, you froze for a second, Jeff, so I'm coming back. I think it says we're experiencing some difficulty, but let me jump back here. If we pay the $30, how come we have to pay the extra to make more money?
They don't have to pay anything to make money. That's an option. You can just use the platform and love it and never promote it. That's your choice.
And that's true, and I want to expand on that just a little bit. For the last 2 decades, there's been a lot of people that have stepped up to earn commissions on this platform with Priceless Possibilities. And typically, Jeff, that would cost between $15,000 and $20,000 to be in a position to earn a residual off this platform. That's been the only option. The company pays out 100% of that $30 every time a product is sold. So if every single person in the entire company was a customer, the company would make absolutely no money at all. The only money the company makes is from that affiliate fee. But we don't just give you the ability to make a commission for that fee. There's other benefits that come along with being an affiliate. Like we said earlier, you're going to receive a $300 course called Endless Free Leads 8.0. We have additional training that we do, and we've got some other value-added products in the back office that are for affiliates only. So there is more to the fee than just the ability to earn commissions. But when you compare $23.97 a month to what it was in the past, to where you had to pay $15,000 or $20,000 to make a residual, you know, that's why the Power Lead System was created, was to give people the ability to refer people to this system and get paid a commission for doing so. And to be able to pay out $30 in commissions every time $30 comes in on a customer fee, hopefully that makes it a little clearer why we charge the affiliate fee.
Neil, I've never heard you explain it that way. That was an excellent, excellent explanation. Thank you for sharing that with everybody.
Alrighty. Let's see if there's anything else on here. Someone says, I like the old system. It was simpler. After all, thought it was easier to grow with as an affiliate. That was from Heidi. Heidi, maybe you can expand on that. We've got everything set up for you to promote all the capture pages. We've got an easy button to see how it works. Jeff, you know, you've seen the older system and you've seen the Power Lead system. There's really
Honestly,
no
I
comparison.
can't remember what the old system is like. It's just, that's like cobwebs compared to what we got here. It's like a dank, dark dungeon, you know, compared to the power of the system, the platform, the customizability we've got. People want choice. People want options. People want customizations. They didn't have that much. You couldn't copy lead capture. You couldn't copy pages. You couldn't tweak pages. You couldn't do a lot of the things. You were locked down to only using the stuff that the company gave you. And now you have full, complete control to build anything you want. You can make it look any way you want. If you can do HTML design, you can make some amazing capture pages, amazing sales video pages, or sales letter pages with this platform. You couldn't do it with the simplicity we have today. So I disagree with Heidi, but I understand where she's coming from. A lot of choice also brings a lot of technical challenges for some people, and that's part of the tit for tat.
One of the first things I did with the Power Lead system, just so everyone knows, is I went through that website section and I took out every lead capture page in that old system. And I went out there and I found and emulated the highest converting lead capture pages out there. I took the bot check off the capture page. I made them convert as high as I possibly could. And that's what we're giving you. So whatever thoughts you may have about, oh, the old system, you got to realize the Power Lead system was created to help you. It's to get you more conversions, to allow you to go out there, market whatever it is you want to market with a capture page that has been proven to convert light years beyond anything else that was in the older system. So hopefully that helps you out.
Okay, any other questions?
All right. Let's see. If they sign up for the $497 product without having talked to you and you haven't purchased it and you missed the $400 commission, that means you haven't done any work to get them to buy it. Okay, someone's, I guess, just responding to somebody else's question or comment.
Okay.
So, you know, a lot of companies do it that way, Jeff. You know, they require you to be a product owner to make commissions on it.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we have here. And it's in the upsell funnel. So you're not really going to have to do any work to sell it. It's just going to be something your prospect decides that they want or they don't. You're not going to have to do anything to offer that to them. It's going to be offered to them automatically during their sign-up process.
That's right. And if they don't buy it then, they can get it later inside the members area. They're told about it there.
All right, boys, some good stuff. I mean, talk about being transparent, right? Let's get it all out there.
Well, hey, you know what? We have nothing to hide. We just have nothing to, but everything to give. You know, we want to give you the world. We want to give you all the tools you need to be successful online. You can go out there and Frankenstein it, like I said earlier, and use a little bit of everything from everywhere and pay several $100s a month and not have the fluidity and the connectivity like we have with the Power Lead system and struggle. Or you can use what we've got here and become successful. Build your lists. Use autoresponders, lead capture pages, sales funnel pages, share codes, Google Hangouts like we're doing right here. Connect, bond, grow, have fun with your members, teach and train. This is the way people do it today. This is the way people become successful, is by using these tools. If you want to become successful, you need to use the tools that successful people make and use. Okay? We didn't just pull this out of our hat. We did a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Neil, how many months did it take you to just come up with this concept and then build this platform?
I mean, it's been months, and it's a culmination of my years helping Priceless Possibilities build custom systems over and over again for different network marketing companies. I knew there was a big need for improvements in the way the lead capture pages look, the way the sales pages look, to make things current. The way things were, it wasn't what was going to attract the marketers and the majority of these networkers that really want the customization to be able to create the things they want to create. We needed that stuff. So, you know, I don't know exactly how long it took, but it took as long as it needed, you know, months.
Well, I remember you started about in May of 2013, birthed the idea, and by September of 2013, the Power Lead system had launched. We're about a month away from our 1-year anniversary. Are we going to have some kind of a pizza party or something, Neil, when we hit that 1 year? Do you remember the day that Power Lead system launched officially? What day was that?
I think it was in September, but Jeff, I mean, we got something better. I mean, we haven't talked about any of this, and I'm not going to, but man, the best is yet to come. We have the most exciting things that we're working on right now. That's going to make everybody a
Maybe we
ton.
should do that as a birthday gift. We should give everybody this new thing you're talking about on the birthday anniversary of Power Lead system.
Yeah, let's show everybody what it is and what's coming, so they
And
can
then we'll all
start.
come over to your house and have a pizza party in your bonus room and listen to Journey.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm up for it.
All right, you guys, get started, because the only way you're going to get to Neil's Pizza Party is to become a Power Lead System member. PLS, Power Lead System, or Pizza Lead System. Get started. Click on the button below this video. Click on the free trial. Try it out for 7 days, absolutely zero cost. And then you're going to love it. I guarantee it. You're going to love it. You're going to want to stay a member. You're going to want to share it with everybody you know. You're going to want to make some commissions on the tools that you use, which pays for your marketing, so you get your stuff for free. And you want to help hundreds and thousands of people with these exact same tools become successful. So get everything on the funnel, become a member, get the affiliate system, and then also get the Social Profit Academy. You're going to love the stuff we have in store for you guys. My name is Jeff Mills. That's Neil Guess. Thanks for watching our presentation today, and we'll see you guys on the next one next Wednesday night. Bye for now.